Hello everyone and welcome back again to On How channel. My name is Anas and I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment, and if you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video I will show you how to connect your Shopify store to your CJ Dropshipping account, and it's really quick and easy to do. I saw some videos taking like 10 minutes to do. I don't understand how they can do that anyway. So in this video I will show you a really quick trick on how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access CJ Dropshipping just like I'm doing right now and sign up for an account. I don't have to show you that because for two reasons I already did, and it's really simple. Just put your email and password and verify your account from your Gmail or whatever email you use. And after that we access CJ Dropshipping and you will see this page, and with Alex right here, he keeps buzzing you with message. He will not stop. So make sure you do never remind me again. And after that, let's just close this. And the first thing you're going to do once you access the CJ Dropshipping website, head over to authorization right here and click on Shopify. And this, if you want to connect your Shopify, if you want to connect WooCommerce or eBay or Etsy or whatever platform you're using, make sure to pick it from here. But for this video, it's for Shopify. So just click on Shopify and give it a couple of seconds. And after that, you will see this page and it says you don't have any store yet. And there is an orange button says add your store. Simply click on it. And after that, click on authorize right here. And it will redirect you to the CJ Dropshipping app on Shopify App Store. And simply click on add app right here and give it a couple of seconds. And I'm using Safari browser. Let me click on continue, and it should ask you to install the app from here. So simply click on install app and give it a couple of seconds, and it will redirect you to CJ Dropshipping, and it will ask you, do you want to connect the Shopify store to this email, which should be your email that you did sign up for. And simply click on agree to store agreement and click on authorize. And after that, it will say authorization success. And one last step before you add your products and so on, make sure you click on connect now. So simply click on connect now. This is so you can do the fulfillment directly on CJ Dropshipping platform. And after that, select Shopify store from here and click on sync and click on confirm and give it a couple of seconds, and it should sync the Shopify store with your CJ Dropshipping account, so you don't have to do the fulfillment twice on Shopify as well as on CJ Dropshipping. So that's how you connect your CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store without wasting like 15 minutes with some random video showing you random stuff other than connecting Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping. And as I said, if you have any video requests or any questions, make sure to drop them below in comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment as well as messages on my Instagram. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.